Previously, we have demonstrated how to use your Nikon cameras for high-quality live streams, web conferences, and video calls with the HDMI method. While that requires you to have an additional HDMI capture card to work, you can now also choose to go live with just the USB connection. With the release of the free Webcam Utility, you can transform your Z7, Z6, Z5, Z50, and even your Nikon DSLR, such as the D6, D850, D780, D7500, or the D5600, as a quick webcam alternative. First, download the Webcam Utility from the official Nikon Download Center. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software, and restart your computer where applicable. Next, locate the camera ports, typically found on the right side from the front of the lens. The Z5 example here uses a Type-C USB connector. Connect the USB cable to both the camera and the computer. To start, switch on the camera and change to video mode. Disable the power saving features in the Z5 by going to the Custom Setting menu. Navigate to Timers, AE Lock, and locate Power Off Delay. Set Standby Timer to No Limit. This prevents the camera from going into sleep mode. You can use any of your favorite shooting modes. However, we recommend using Program Auto Mode for simplicity. If you're feeling creative, try using a different creative picture control profile for a unique look. For best results, make sure Focus Mode is set to Full-Time AF and AF Area Mode to Auto Area AF. A Z5 with good condition EN EL15C battery, as well as a power delivery mode capable USB connection, will allow you to use your camera for an extended period. Great for a longer, uninterrupted live stream. The Webcam Utility is compatible with popular live stream software, as well as web conference platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, and more. From the application of choice, change the active camera to Webcam Utility. You'll be able to see the live preview from the camera if everything is set up correctly. Do note that the audio from the camera is not supported. Thus, you'll need to use a microphone connected directly to your computer. Enjoy streaming with your Nikon.